How to get 9 boxes on TikTok Live. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your TikTok application. Now to go live, you need at least 1,000 followers and you need to be 18 or older. So to go live, tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. From here, you'll be able to find some kind of template story, and then right at the very right side of your screen, you'll find live. Go to the live section. Once you are on live, just tap on the go live button. Once your live has started, you're going to have an option to invite guests at the bottom left corner of your screen, right beside hosts. Tap on guests, and then from here, you can invite your friends. So just simply tap on the gear icon. And as you can see here on your settings, you have an option for panels or grids. By default, it will be set to panels. So if people join your live, it will be shown on the right side of your screen as panels. So if you want to switch it over to grids, which will give you the 9 boxes, tap on grid, then tap on switch. And if you want the grid to be your default layout, you can choose the fixed layout. So layout will remain the same regardless of the number of participants. Go ahead and tap on fixed and then toggle it on. Tap on turn on. And as you can see here on your home screen, you'll have the grids. No matter how many guests you have, the grid will remain the same. That's how you basically get 9 boxes on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.